Good morning.
Good morning.
I just woke up.
I just woke up.
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
I had a good sleep.
I had a good sleep.
I'm still sleepy.
I'm still sleepy.
Time to get out of bed.
Time to get out of bed.
Let me brush my teeth.
Let me brush my teeth.
I need a shower.
I need a shower.
The water is too cold.
The water is too cold.
I feel fresh now.
I feel fresh now.
Let me comb my hair.
Let me comb my hair.
What should I wear today?
What should I wear today?
I like this shirt.
I like this shirt.
Where are my socks?
Where are my socks?
I can't find my shoes.
I can't find my shoes.
I'm getting ready for the day.
I'm getting ready for the day.
Breakfast is ready.
Breakfast is ready.
I love toast and eggs.
I love toast and eggs.
I'm running late.
I'm running late.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I need to go to work.
I need to go to work.
I'm taking the bus.
I'm taking the bus.
The train is late.
The train is late.
Traffic is bad today.
Traffic is bad today.
I have a meeting at 10.
I have a meeting at 10.
I need my notebook.
I need my notebook.
I'm making a phone call.
I'm making a phone call.
I'll send you an email.
I'll send you an email.
Let's take a break.
Let's take a break.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
I brought a sandwich.
I brought a sandwich.
Let's eat together.
Let's eat together.
I have more work to do.
I have more work to do.
I'm almost done.
I'm almost done.
I'm finished for today.
I'm finished for today.
Time to go home.
Time to go home.
I'm so tired.
I'm so tired.
Let's relax.
Let's relax.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
I'm going to bed early.
I'm going to bed early.
I'm cleaning my room.
I'm cleaning my room.
Where is the vacuum?
Where is the vacuum?
Let's do the laundry.
Let's do the laundry.
I need to fold the clothes.
I need to fold the clothes.
The kitchen is messy.
The kitchen is messy.
Let's wash the dishes.
Let's wash the dishes.
I'll cook dinner tonight.
I'll cook dinner tonight.
Do we have any rice?
Do we have any rice?
The soup smells good.
The soup smells good.
Dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
This tastes delicious.
This tastes delicious.
Can you pass the salt?
Can you pass the salt?
I'm full.
I'm full.
Let's watch a movie.
Let's watch a movie.
I like this show.
I like this show.
Turn up the volume.
Turn up the volume.
Time to turn off the lights.
Time to turn off the lights.
Good night.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
I'm from India.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
I'm learning English.
I'm learning English.
I love learning languages.
I love learning languages.
That's interesting.
That's interesting.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that?
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
I'm happy to talk with you.
I'm happy to talk with you.
Let's be friends.
Let's be friends.
I'm going shopping.
I'm going shopping.
Let's go to the mall.
Let's go to the mall.
I need to buy groceries.
I need to buy groceries.
Where is the nearest store?
Where is the nearest store?
How much is this?
How much is this?